Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
राजोवाच येनावतारेण भगवान् हरिरीश्वरः करोति कर्णरम्याणि मनोज्ञानि च नः प्रभो यच्छृण्वतो अपैत्यरतिर्वितृष्णाम् सत्वं च शुद्धयत्यचिरेण पुंसः भक्तिर्हरौ तत्पुरुषे च सख्यं तदेव हारं वद मन्यसे चेत् अथान्यदपि कृष्णस्य तोकाचरितम् अद्भुतं मानुषं लोकमासाद्य तज्जातिम् अनुरुन्धतः। श्रीशुक उवाच कदाचिदौत्यानिककौतुकाप्लवे जन्मक्षयोगे समवेतयोषितां पादित्रगीताद्विजमन्त्रवाचकैः चकार सूनोरभिषेचनं सति नन्दस्य पत्नी कृतमज्जनादिकं विप्रैः कृतस्वस्त्ययनं सुपूजितैः अत्राध्यवासः स्रगभीष्टधेनुभिः सञ्जातनिद्राक्षमशीर्षयच्छनैः औत्थ्यानिकौत्सुक्यमाना मनस्विनी समागतान् पूजयति व्रजौकसः नैवाशृणोत् रुदितं सुतस्य सा रुदन् स्तनार्थी चरणावुदक्षिपत् अद्य शयानस्य शिशोरनोल्पक प्रवाल मुद्वङ्गृहतं व्यवर्तत विध्वस्तनानारसकुप्यभाजनं व्यत्यस्त चक्राक्ष विभिन्नकूबरं दृष्ट्वा यशोदा प्रमुखा व्रजस्त्रिय औत्यानिके कर्मणि या समागताः नन्दादयश्चाद्भुतदर्शनाकुलाः कथं स्वयं वै शकटं विपर्यगात् ऊचुरव्यवसितमतीन् गोपान् गोपीश बालकाः रुदतानेन पादेन क्षिप्तमेतत्र संशयः न ते श्रद्धधिरे गोपा बालभाषितम् इत्युत अप्रमेयं बलं तस्य बालकस्य न ते विदुः
Hare
रुदन्
Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण।
Well done. Very nice. Reading so well. Kadachidautthanika kautukaplave. There's a festival called Autthanika. Premierna says it happens 30 days after the child is born. We'll take that. 30 days. It also happened that it is the Masa Nakshatram. Rohini Nakshatram. Tirumbi. இன்னைக்கு ரோஹிணி நட்சத்திரமா பரவாயில்லையே வெரி நைஸ் that is beautiful coincidence rohini nakshatram also so they have a small celebration 30 days child is safe so they will take the child to a temple or something first time going out of the house okay that's called autthanika so festival so for that festival some lot of people have been called, like any festival involving Krishna, a lot of guests will be there. So that morning, all the people have come for celebrating. So there's a lot of music, there's a lot of priests have come, they are doing some Veda Gosha, Vaditra Gita, Dvija Mantra Vachakaihi Chakara. So it is time for Mangala Snana. குழந்தைய எண்ணெய் தேய்ச்சி குளிப்பாட்டி விட போறேன். Oil bath for the child. Child is 1 month old. It's still looking nice. Curvy child. கொஞ்சம் கொழுக்கொழுனவே இருக்கும். So what she has done is, she is sitting with her legs stretched out, and she is going to put the child facing the stomach down on her legs. And then she is going to rub oil. So this child is enjoying. Children really like it when you give them an oil bath properly. If you do it improperly, they will hate it. It shouldn't go into their eyes. You have to be very careful. You have to know how to give oil bath to the child. So some gopi has brought oil that is heated to the right temperature. Somebody else has bought water that is heated to the right temperature, with lot of fragrant substances have been added. So this mother has placed this child on her lap, and she is gently rubbing oil, his toes, his ankles, his calves, his legs, his back, his hair, and then she has turned him around the other side. So now she is oiling the front. Then they are pouring the water. Warm water is being poured. The child is enjoying. They are gently rubbing some sugandha, some material that is fragrant and which will remove the oil, make the child happy and comfortable. Snapayati Yashoda. Chakara suno rabhishechanam sati. Abhishechanam. Majjana means taking bath. Abhishekam is giving him. So he's given the child an oil bath. Because so many guests have come, busy day, So what she has done, in India, I don't know what they call it in North India. In South India, we call it tuli. It's like a homemade hammock, okay? You take one old dhoti and you tie the two ends of it to some support, and then it becomes like a nice hammock. And in that you will put the child will sleep. Okay. So now, because the oil bath was so comfortable, the child is feeling sleepy. So what happened is, right in front of where this bathing ceremony had happened, there was one shakata. Shakata means cart. Nobody knows, Krishna knows, nobody else knows that one asura has done avesham into this cart called Shakatasura. Okay. Mother doesn't know, so she has made one tuli, one hammock under the cart. Same cart where this asura is. She has made, close to the axle. You know what's an axle? The two wheels, they are connected, no? That connection is called axle. So this hammock is very close to that axle. Child is sleeping, so she has gone to take care of this huge crowd. She's giving them everything. Anna adi vasa srag abhishta denubihi. She's giving them food, giving them clothes, donating cows, all these things, celebrating the 1 month festival of Authana. Authanika, Autsukya Mana. She's so excited, and there is so much. Musicians are playing music, drummers are drumming, the priests are chanting Swasti Vachana in their high tone. So there's a lot of noise. The child who is in the hammock, in that tuli under the cart, Rudan Sthanarthi. That child started crying. Why is he crying? as if he wants milk. Rudam sthanarthi. He wants to drink mother's milk. So he's crying. But normally when he cries, everybody hears. But today there is so much noise, nobody heard. Na eva ashrunot vai. The surprising thing. So why? Big surprise that he is crying and nobody has noticed. So what he has done, adashayanasya shishoho pravala mrudu angrihatam. Mrudu angri. 1 month old child, Baba. Have you ever touched a 1 month old child's feet? It is so soft. Mrudu angry. Okay, he started kicking his feet, and that foot touched the axle of the cart, and everything broke and fell with a huge noise. Vidvasta nana rasakupya bhajanam vyatyastya chakraksha vibhinna kubaram. Huge noise. Everything broke in that cart, and the cart itself is overturned. So Yashoda and all the important brothers, they're all rushing. Samagataha nandadescha adbhuta darshanakulaha. Adbhuta, are? What a surprising thing. This whole cart has broken down and it has upturned. All the vessels in the cart have all broken, but somehow this child is safe. Katham swayam vai shakatam viparyagati. Uchuhu vyavasita matine gopan gopischa balakaha. The small children who were there, they said, oh, this Krishna only kicked and the whole cart broke. But the older people did not believe. Nate shraddhadira gopa bala bhashitam iti uta. Bala bhashitam. Children will say something. How can one small child kick, first of all? And even if the small child kicks, how is this huge cart, which has got iron parts, wooden parts, and all these so heavy things it was carrying, the whole thing, how can it break? So they didn't believe. Shukabrahman is saying, Aprameyam balam tasya balakasya nate viduhu. They did not know how to estimate this particular child's strength because he is aprameya. Vishnu Sahasranamathla namam vardilya. Aprameyo Rishikesha. Aprameyan. Nobody can estimate. Looks like a child, and this has happened.